Hello guys, we just concluded the first trading week of March and I just had two trading days. I traded on Wednesday and on Friday. All right, so I took a total of 4 trades this week. The first one was actually a break even, then I had 2 losses, and the last one was a win. All right, so without wasting much time, let's get right into the analysis. All right guys, so let's get into the breakdown of the trades. All right, so market opened here on Monday. This was where the first week of March, the week actually started on Monday, and this is where it ended. All right, so this was the Monday price action. This was Asian open. So I spotted this breakout here, but because my entry was somewhere here, let me zoom it. Let me go to the lower time frame so you guys can actually see my clear entries. All right, so this was the price action. So I had my entry somewhere here, but price did not trigger. It was somewhere around there. I had my entry and my stop was just below the Asians because we've already taken the Asian low. The liquidity, the London session has already taken out the Asians low. So this was where I had my entry and market missed it. So I couldn't get another opportunity. See, Tuesday came, I didn't see my setup. Same thing happened here on Wednesday. But on Wednesday was actually where I got this setup. You can see this trend line break and retest. So after we formed this trend line, this was where we broke out, and there's a very nice inducement here. So this was where I called my first buy on Wednesday, and the moment we broke this particular high, all right, I moved my stops to break even, and price finally price later reversed to the entry price, which actually stopped me out of break even. So this week I took a total of 4 trades, 1 break even, 2 losses, and the last one was actually a win. So the first 3 trades I took them on Wednesday, and the last one, which was the winning trade, was on Friday. I took it. All right, so this was the first buy trade I took, which was a break even trade. Then the second buy I took was somewhere around here, somewhere around this level here. All right, so after market swept this particular low here, so we kind of had this breakout. So I spotted this trend line resistance again here. So we see that breakout with this inducement. So this was where I took my second buy, all right, at this zone here. So and it was just straight stop loss targeting this high, all right, because I want market to like take out that high before we start selling, right? So market could not take it out. We actually hit stops. Now if you come to the lower time frame, or looking at the higher time frame, you're going to see that market gold has been forming a trend: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And this was where, with this volume break, this was where it seemed like we're breaking the structure, and this was where I kind of spotted that market structure shift, and I wanted to sell off this particular zone with this breaker block here, but market did not market stopped me out. I guess we wanted to take out that liquidity first before we start selling finally. So that was just the case on Wednesday. I took a total of 3 trades, lost 2, and 1 was breaking. All right, now I'm trading 2 accounts, the 15k account and the 25k account. All right, now the trades I do take, I share them between these accounts. Like the 15k account is already in phase 2, and I've taken like a -2% loss from the previous week on the account. So coming into this week, all right, the second buy trade which I actually took a loss on was on the 15k account, while the first one, which was break even, was on the new 25k account, which I got during the week for the month of March. Now I did not trade again for that full day, even the next day, which was on Thursday. So market was around here, I did not trade as well. So I was actually waiting for market to like take out these heights before we start selling, or before I will start looking out for trade. And besides, it's already Wednesday, so, and I don't usually see my setup on Fridays, but market did something very interesting here. We took out this low, and you can see this trend line resistance that we've been forming. So, and at this point we tried to like break out of this resistance, and the moment we broke, this was nice area of inducement. This was exactly where I took my entry, and you can see that market triggered, and boom, we took out that high that I've been eyeing since, that I wanted price to like take out before we start selling. And you can see the moment we took out that high, price just dropped drastically. You can see that drop in price. All right, so that is just basically it, and that is just how this trade this week actually went, though I make some mistakes which I've written down already, so that I'm not going to like repeat them the coming week. So that way we just keep growing and keep becoming better. In my next video, I'm actually going to show you guys how to like journal with Notion, because a lot of persons have been asking. I use Notion for my journaling, to journal my trade, and if you watch this video up to this moment, it means you're a big fan, you're a real OG. So I want you to leave a comment in the comment section, like and share. And if you're seeing my video for the first time, please, I would appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. This is a channel where I'm documenting my journey as a forex trader. So I drop my week in a live video, day in a live video. Everything I'm just doing is just trading unfiltered. So I would appreciate if you subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you'll be able to get my videos when I drop them. All right, so peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.